Hey everybody, Dubs here, and this is box break number 52, 11-12 limited. Here's your list of winning bidders for this break. There's 3 5+ winners today. We had Elk Killer and Sean and Sigpa. So for your guys' 5+ bonuses, for Sean, I've got a Bruins card of Andy Wozniewski. For Elk Killer, I've got a Mirror Red from Certified of Roberto Luongo. And for Sigpa, I searched through my collection as hard as I could, and the only Rangers card that I was able to find was this Rookie Rivalries card of Alan York and Cam Talbot, predominantly for your Rangers. So there you go. Those are your 5+ bonus cards there. The short straw bonus for today will have 4 cards. You've got a Jeff Halpern Upper Deck Game Jersey card for the Capitals. A Ryan Malone for the Lightning. Oh, focus. Whatever. Steve Mason for the Blue Jackets, as well as Brad Richards for the Lightning. So those will be your no-hit bonuses, the short straw. So if you fail to get a hit during the regular break, then you'll get a chance to get one of those cards. So taking a look at our roulette board here. Today we're going for a Nick Spalling the Cup patch auto card of Nick Spalling, if I didn't say that, and a Lance Bouma Phenoms rookie card from Limited. It is the Silver Spotlight version with not the team logo on there. So we've got a green on 33, a green on 26, green on 24, orange on 20, green on 17, orange on 11, green on 4, and green on 0 and 00. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on this wheel, then we will give away the associated card. And if both both chips are spun, then we'll give away the higher value of the 2 cards, which would be the Cup rookie. So before we get going with our box of limited, we will be giving away a free team. And it is this week's Winnipeg Jets Gnome free team of the break. So we'll just get this thing going with a spin and a free team. And that is team number 30. So team 30. And the team that will be taking home that refund will be the Philadelphia Flyers. So congratulations to Sigpa. I will refund you the Flyers. Ow. 30. So congratulations to the Flyers. All right. So here's our serial number for this box. The plastic out of the way. It is 99187715 as advertised. So good luck to everybody. Hopefully we can top my box that I had last week. That one was pretty cool. If you haven't seen it, there was a nice puck card, which is a first for me. I've never seen one of those pulled before, but it was pretty awesome. So maybe we can get something just as good or not, if not better. Okay. So up front, we've got a base card of Ilya Kovalchuk for the New Jersey Devils. And that one is numbered 100 out of 299. So 100 out of 299 for the Devils. And our first hit is a red spotlight of Eric Lindros going out to the Toronto Maple Leafs. And Sean 1989-77. And that one is numbered 35 out of 49. 35 out of 49. So there you go, Sean. Nice ruby parallel there. And because you got the first hit, I will be including a pack of score. So one-handedly, I'll try to write your name on this pack. Sean, 1989-77. Sorry about the marker in my mouth. One-handed and all. So there you go, Sean. That's for the first strike bonus. Next up, we've got a little old-timers card of Bernie Perrant for the Boston Bruins, and that'll also be heading to Sean. And that one is numbered sidewaysly. 201 out of 299, so you'll have to crank your neck to the side a little bit there to read that. 201 out of 299. And then we've got a nice autograph card of Johnny Bower for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and this one is also going to Sean. So nice Johnny Bower signatures card. And that one is numbered 35 out of 99. 35 out of 99. So that's 2 hits for Sean. Our next card, coming to you from all the way from the Windy City, it is a Banner Seasons card of Corey Crawford. Nice white jersey swatch there. And that is going to DJ and Ellis' mom, the proud owner of the Chicago Blackhawks. And that one is numbered 28 out of 99. So nice hit for the Blackhawks. From the back of the stack, we've got a base card of Jimmy Howard for the Detroit Red Wings and Sigpa. And that one is numbered 62 out of 99, so a low print one there. 62 out of 99. That is Jimmy Howard in the Red Wings. And lastly, we've got ourselves a redemption card. So we've got a Retired Numbers Signature Materials. It is card number 3. Retired Numbers Signature Materials, card number 3. And let's try to find that one. Okay, this one is going to need a little bit of digging, I think. So we have Retired Numbers, card number 3. Come on, let's focus. And if anybody can maybe look this one up to see what team it'll go to, it is Retired Numbers number 3, Steve Yzerman. Stevie Y. I don't know if it's him I'm thinking of or somebody else, but I think he played for a couple of teams. So I'm not sure if that one will be going to the Detroit, or did he play for the Blackhawks too? Yeah, that will be Steve Yzerman, so I'm not sure who's that one is going to, so I'll have to look it up and see who it'll actually go to. Like Crow said, it'll probably be going to Detroit, but I think he played for a couple of teams, so I'll just have to look that up just to confirm that. But if it is Detroit, then Sigpa will be taking that one home, and if it's somebody else, then I will mention that one. All right, so that is the break. Then He only played for Detroit, so it's somebody else that I'm thinking of that played for Chicago also. So that one will be going to Detroit. Thank you to Elk Killer and Sean for confirming that one for me. I don't know who Chelios, yes. Chelios is the one I'm thinking of. Chelios played for both Detroit and Chicago. So thank you guys for giving me a hand there. So now I will be jumping over to the prize board. Here's our prize board. I'll be spinning the wheel and choosing a prize from there, and we will be giving that one away to one of you lucky individuals. And we've landed on, it's coming back around. And that one's going to be 6. So it'll be 6. And the card behind number 6 will be a 11-12 Calder Contenders card of Shane Sims. So that one will be this card right here. In a Calder Contenders black card from Contenders. Number 58 of 100. So we will spin the wheel again, and on the bonus board, we will see which one of you guys is going to be taking that one home. So here's spin. And that'll be number 23. So team 23. Sims that is not what I wanted. Team 23 going to the Phoenix Coyotes. And the Phoenix Coyotes are owned by Sean, 1989-77. So congratulations, Sean. You'll be taking home the Sims. And that will bring us to the no-hit bonus. So we have 4 cards, and as far as I know, we've got just 3 teams that got hits. Toronto got a couple, Chicago, and Detroit. So these guys are not important right now. Sorry for the shakiness. So we'll take all of these chips and we will put them in my cup. We will shake it up. And for these cards, we will choose winners for them all. So starting with the one up top, Jeff Halpern. That one will be going to the Calgary Flames. So there you go, Piper. Next up for the Ryan Malone, we've got the Carolina Hurricanes and Sigpa. For the Steve Mason, it'll be going to the San Jose Sharks and Linda Scouts. And lastly, for the Brad Richards, that one will be going to the Pittsburgh Penguins and Elk Killer. So there you go, guys. That is your no-hit bonus for today. And now we will be taking a look at the roulette board. So these are the numbers that we have spun so far. We're looking at 30, 6, and 23. So 30 is blank, 23 is blank, and 6 is also blank. So what we will do is we'll spin the wheel 3 more times and see if we can get you guys a card. So here is spin number 1. And that is 34. A little quick look here, and 34 is blank. So we'll spin it again. And that is number 8. And 8 is blank. So for all the marbles, last spin. Number 20. Number 20. And number 20's got an orange chip. So there you go. We'll be giving away the Nick Spalling The Cup Auto patch. So we will jump back to our bonus board and we'll spin the wheel one more time, and one of you guys will be taking home this baby with the nice 3-color patch on there. So last spin. And number 26. Or 26. So the team that will be taking home the Nick Spalling autographed rookie patch card is going to be the Buffalo Sabres, and that is Saber Sean. So congratulations, buddy. This one will be heading to you. And to close things off, we will be taking a look at our bingo board. So if you have been following along at all, we hit a couple of bingos last week. So we're starting this week again fresh. Because I did an extra box last week, I didn't anticipate not having a third box for this week's or for this next run. So I will only be running with 10-11 OPG and 12-13 OPG. So those guys are on the board alone with our to be determined board on the side. So we're going to take the cage here. We're going to open it up. And we're going to be adding in all of these marbles that we used last time. So two-hand this one, not to spill. So there we go. All of the marbles back in the cage. Close it up. And we'll just spin this a couple of times just to shake it all up. Alright, and because this is a new board, we will start off by taking 12 marbles just to fill it up. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll put these over to the side so I've got room. And 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's our 12 marbles, and let's start to see what we got here. So up front first we've got G53. So G53, and we're starting off by shooting a blank. Second marble. That is I-28. Trying something new here with my hand behind it, but it doesn't seem to be helping at all. I-28. And I-28 gives us 1 on board 1. Next up, we've got number I-18. Can you guys just let me know if you're still with me? Apparently, I've been disconnected, but I'm not sure. Let me type this in. I'm just waiting for chat to log back up. Apparently I was disconnected or something. I'm still recording, so that's a good sign. Do some elevator music or something. Hey, looks like I'm back. We're still good. You guys in chat could let me know if you still have me. That would be pretty good. I'm not sure if anything happened when I got disconnected from blog there. Wow. What is going on? More elevator music for you. Okay, looks like we're back in chat, so I'm just going to see here. You guys hear me? Waiting for an audio and or video check in chat. Not seeing anything. I don't know if I'll have to stop the recording or not and start up. See if these guys in. I'm gonna have to stop it and start it up again. So just a sec.